Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox all of these decks right here, which kind of have, I guess, Halloweenie vibes. That's not a word, that's okay. Anywho, if you want to see me unbox these, keep on watching. Before we get into it, guys, I just took the plastic off of all of them so we can just get right into unboxing them. And I'm not going to look at each deck in its entirety in this video. It's just going to be your first impressions of opening the box, looking at a few of these cards. They're each going to have their own dedicated video though of a full-on first impressions and flip through of the decks. So keep an eye out for that. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first one we have is Tarot de la Nuit. Tarot de la Nuit. Oh, there's 79 cards in here. This is the box. I know it's not Tarot de la Nuit. I'm just saying. Whoa. This is a nice box, by the way. Here's the book. Black and white. We're gonna snip it. It smells pretty good. Oh, and it's from Los Carebo. I didn't know that. This is the back of the card. Oh my goodness. Here, we're just gonna take a few. This looks really pretty. I love the colors. Is she on a magic carpet? Yes. Nice. This is a thick deck too, by the way. It smells good too. Alright, on to the next one. I can't wait to do flip throughs. Wow. Wow, really, Rosa? Wow. Nobody saw that. Yeah, you did. Don't tell anyone though. Next we have the Hush Tarot. What is she holding? Oh, are those little birdies? I think she's holding little birdies. This box feels really soft, by the way. Here's the book. Dang, is she riding a bird? She's like, tally-ho! This is a very tiny book. Black and white, we're gonna snip it. Ugh, smells kind of weird, just a little bit. Look at these backs. Look at these backs though, isn't that pretty? It's reversible too. I don't think this is normal tarot size. It feels a bit smaller and wider. Oh my god, is that a ferret? Here, let's just grab a few cards, right? Because we're gonna do flip throughs later. Whoa. What is that? What is this? Is that an animal face? I think that's the head of an animal. Oh my god. Look at this eye. Jesus Christ. Look at that mouth. What is that? This is a cool deck. I'm so happy that I bought it. Alright, let's go to the next one. Next is the Healing Light Tarot. It's also by Los Carebo in this nice little box. What is this, a top card? Oh, I guess this is the back. Hold up, let me look at the book. Oh, it's just a straight up black book. Oh, there's some color in there. There's no pictures, but you guys see the red ink and there's like some designs in the background. I'm gonna smell it though. It smells pretty good. Okay. Whoa. Here, let's take a few cards, right? Whoa. Whoa, this magician. I love rainbows. This is cool. Nice. Did I show the back? I think I did. That's not the back. What is this? Go away. There you go. Alright, let's go to the next one. Next we have Mausolea, I think is how you say it. Oracle of Souls. This reminds me of Magic the Gathering symbols, I think, because of that skull. This is also from Lo Scribo. Oh, it's got a little ribbon. This book has some weird texture to it. It's the back. Oh, that's cool. Is it color? No, it's black and white, but it has little designs on it. Wait, was that a picture? What was that? Is that spreads? Oh, I think these are spreads. Yes. I'ma smell it. This one smells good. Oh, look at these backs. Isn't that pretty? Nice. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that. I love the glow in his... This reminds me of Hades in the Hercules movie. What, was my hair out? That's cool. What is this? What is that? Oh my god. Got a face. What is that? All right, we'll dive deeper when we do a flip through of this deck, but that looks cool. Next is the Tarot of Haunted House. Who did this deck though? Lo Scribo? This looks like a Lo Scribo card. Yep. Oh, and it comes with the little white book. I don't sniff these. They don't deserve a sniffing. Let's see the back of these cards. Oh, that's pretty. And they're reversible too. You got the moon, and I'm guessing this is the haunted house on the hill. Have you guys seen that movie, House on Haunted Hill? It's a good movie. It's the old one though. I think it came out in the 90s. All right, let's look at some of these cards. Hey, it's that house and the moon. There's no names on here, so that might be a bit hard for me. Oh, that's pretty. But you know, is that a rhino? Yes. Interesting. All right, let's go to the next one. Next we have the Dark Grimoire Tarot, or Grimoire, however you want to say it. Whoa. What is that behind him? Jesus Christ. Cheese and crackers. I think this is also from Lo Scribo. Yes. Yes. This is the top card. Oh, so this was the back of it. That's a cool backing. And it comes with the little white book. Let's look at some of these cards. Whoa. Wow, he's in a mental asylum. What is this? What is that a fish? The fuck? What is that? And eyeballs? Oh my god. Someone's pulling at his clothes. Okay, this deck is gonna be pretty... Whoa, the light just got bright. This deck is gonna be pretty interesting to look at. Focus camera. The Magician. Are these cards stuck together? This card feels super thick. Or is this just the card stock? Yeah, it's just the card stock. This is some good ass card stock. Nice. I'm excited to do a flip through. This is a nice cardstock on this one. Next we have the Crow Tarot. Is that a piece of meat or is that a pomegranate? I think that's a pomegranate. No, I'm not hungry. Okay, maybe a little. This is pretty. The box feels nice and smooth. Caca, bitch. Ooh, these cards look like they have like an old style look to them. If that makes any sense. This is the book. That's pretty. US Games. Black and white. We're gonna sniff it. Smells good. That's a good book. This is the back. This is a hefty deck. Deck of cards. Okay, a hefty deck of cards. This is great cardstock too. It's so pretty. It's nice and matte. I think this is bigger than your normal tarot size. Oh, that's pretty. As well. That's so pretty. At least they feel bigger than the normal tarot size. Alright, next we have the Halloween Oracle. Ooh, I like this. That's pretty. Ooh, paper. Oh, sweet. No plastic. Well, there's a little slip thingy, but... Oh, cool. It even has that thing on the book. Well, it's a black and white book, but at least they got the little images. Wait, why are there two skulls in here? Skull of light, skull of stars. What? Okay. We're gonna sniff it. Ugh, it smells a little weird. Slip this card condom off. This is a glossy deck. Oh, look at these backings. Except don't get blinded by my light. It is, well, because it's glossy, it's kind of sticking. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh no. I'm gonna have to, oh no, unstick all of these. Oh god. Alright, well, I have to remember to do that, but so pretty. Cardstock is kind of flimsy, but I mean, these are pretty huge though, to be honest. I gotta remember to unstick these. If y'all get this deck, be careful in sticking them too. Next I have the Deviant Moon Tarot. This is the borderless edition. Whoa. A lot of these decks have been on like my wish list for God knows how many months. Oh, this is the backings. That's pretty. Reversible, I like it. This is an extra card. Oh, it talks about the book, which is also on my wish list. And it comes with the usual white little book. Damn, these feel super skinny. But oh my god, this artwork though. Look at this artwork. Isn't that cool? Look at the High Priestess. She looks scary as heck. Nice. Oh, and this feels nice and soft too. It's like a soft matte. Next we have the Night Sun Tarot. Whoa. I believe this is from Los Garebo as well. top card. This is the back. Not reversible, but that's okay. And then it comes... Oh, it is Los Caribo. It comes with your usual white book. Let's look at some of these cards. Whoa. That looks very nice. Look at that mask. It has little horns. Cool. Oh shit, there's a dog right there. I didn't even notice. Cool. The Magician 777. This is a very cool looking deck. The High Priestess. Is there a bird in there? I can't tell. It looks like there's a bird in there. Very nice. Next we have Anne Stokes Gothic Tarot, which is actually pretty tiny. I didn't think this was gonna be this small. Let's see how the cards look though. Oh, so we have cards, book, and more cards. Why are those separated? So I'm gonna put these over here and see what all this is. Wow, look at this, a tiny book. Wait, does this like open weird? Oh, okay. So it's a tiny book. But what is this? Because these cards were separated. Oh, look at that backing. I love Anne Stokes' artwork. It's really pretty. Unless these are these extra cards? No? You have the Fool, the Magician, the High Priestess, the Empress, the Emperor. Okay, but are they extra cards though? Okay, no, they're not. Because then it goes to the Hierophant. Cool, because I was like, why are they? Oh my god, these are slippery as heck. Why are they separate? This is a tiny deck. This is not your normal tarot size. But in here, look at that dragon. El Loco. I love these wings. These are really tiny. This is like a nice size for like your purse. Next we have the Trick or Tarot. This box feels buttery smooth. This is a rose petal finish. Mine unfortunately got damaged during shipment. So hopefully the cards aren't damaged. Otherwise I'm gonna have to contact them. But they also sent this. They sent their business card, right? If y'all want to check them out. They have a few tarot and oracle decks too. And then they sent this extra card. I'm guessing this is for one of their other decks. Man, this box feels lovely. Okay, so here is the damage. I hope nothing got damaged. It doesn't look like the cards got damaged. No, they didn't get damaged. Cool. Oh, there's a card Gundam on here. Comes with the little book. This is a really tiny book. Like, super small. But oh my god, look at these backings. It's a matte finish as well. I think they have two sizes. This is the normal tarot size, which is a bit cheaper, and then they have Like the cards are a lot bigger. I kind of wanted to get the bigger version, but I think that was like 80 bucks. And I was like, oh Lord, no. This one, I forgot how much this one was. Oh, it's so cool though. I like this border, it's like a gate. Very nice. Next we have Tarot of Vampires. This is a huge box. It's from Llewellyn. It's just like all your other class boxes from the Llewellyn decks. Whoa. Look at this rose. This is pretty. Oh my god. Whoa, this is a fat book. How do you... Phantasmagoria. Okay. This is a really huge book. Surrender to your spiritual hunger. Oh my god, you need to push this away. There's a lot of information in here. And it smells good. I could smell it from here. Look at these card backings though. Oh my god, it's a rose, which is what my name means in Espanol. Rosa, by the way. Look at these backings though, they're so pretty. And it's a glossy finish. Oh, I like this. That's pretty. The Fool. Are those... I see faces. Oh, there are faces. That's different animals there. Whoa. There's a... I think that's a hawk. That's so cool. Oh, look at that skull. That's pretty. Oh my god. Why are you screaming though? Dang, did you get bit in the hand? Why would someone bite you there? Cool. This deck looks very pretty. I don't know if I want to edge this in black or in red. I mean, either or would go good with the background. I might do it in black just because the borders here are black. We'll see though, that's not going to be for a while. Next we have Stokes Necronomicon. Did I say that right? Tarot. Again, more Stokes artwork. I love her artwork. It's so pretty. Another one of those clasp boxes. Ooh, what's this? What is that? I see an eyeball in there. Whoa. Okay, well this book opens up differently. So this one opens that way. Is there... Okay, well it's not colored, but it does have the images. That's cool. Cool. This is the first book that I have in this way instead of like this way. Look at these cards. This is the back. Very glossy, just like your typical Llewellyn decks. Oh my god, look at this fool. Are they playing a flute? I think, yeah, they are. They're conjuring something. Whatever they're conjuring, it's dancing. Oh, what's that? So the Fool, and then there's another name up there. I'm not sure what that's for yet. I'd have to look at the... I was going to say the box. I have to look at the book. So this is the Magician. That's pretty. And then there's another name up there. Interesting. Ooh. High Priestess. I love it. It's bust. Yes. Okay, so maybe the names then represent... Because this is a Egyptian goddess. So possibly the names represent some form of mythology or legends or something, or maybe like a spirit too. something. I have to look at the book. I'm not 100%, but that's... Ooh. Whoa. Okay. I'm not 100% on that. Don't quote me on it. I have to look at the book to see what's up. But this deck looks badass. Badass. Last but not least, we have the Shadowland Tarot. Look at this guy. It's so cute. Alright, he shouldn't be cute though. He has to be scary because these are Halloweenie decks. That's not a real word. I know. Okay, how do you... Is this a... Oh. Clasp? Oh, there's no ribbon. I don't want to, like, hurt the book. There we go. Oh, very nice. We'll look at you in a bit. Oh, it's colored. Yes. Love me some colored books. It smells good. I can smell it from here. Let's get these cards out. Oh, these cards feel nice. Card condom off. They're gilded. It's damaged. No, that's okay. They're gonna get damaged eventually. Whoa, these are some yellow ass backs. Sorry about, about the gasping there, but hey, first impressions, right? Those are the best. Well, I gotta be careful because this type of gilding sometimes gets stuck together. And you don't want to damage the cards right off the bat. Here, let me unstick these. There's like two stuck together, I think. Yeah. I'm gonna remember to unstick these then. Man, this is a nice matte, soft finish. Where is your head? Oh, there it is. Okay. That's cute. Focus on the card camera. That's cute. Look at this magician. He looks so adorable. I love it. I remember to unstick these though. Alright everyone, so that was it for this haul video. Thank you so much for watching. Whoa, focus camera. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!